Sit with me for the next 10 minutes and I'll show you a practice called loving kindness. If you practice this, it will change your life. Close your eyes. And for just 10 minutes, we're going to sit together. And we're going to connect to the heart. So relax, soften, and feel your breath in your chest. Feel the gentle rise and fall. And locate your heart center. This is right in the middle of the chest. And breathe as if breathing in and out from this point. And imagine on the horizon a warm golden sunset. And breathe in the rays into your heart center. So it's healing you, bringing light into your life, and awakening deep inner love. And speak these phrases internally, gently, with meaning, to yourself. May I be happy. May I be happy. May I be well. May I be well. May I be safe and protected. May I be safe and protected. May I be free. May I be free. Connecting with the heart center, as if speaking the words from here. May I be happy. May I be well. May I be safe and protected. May I be free. Continue the phrases in your own time, at your own pace. You can use all 4 phrases, or you can pick 2 or 3. or you can even change them to something that resonates better with you. And when the mind wanders away, just bring it back to the phrases. And speak them to yourself with great care. As much as we're trying to cultivate feelings of warmth for ourselves, the opposite can happen. Shining a light into the heart can show all the judgments we have for ourselves, the lack of self-love. You may feel you're not worthy of love. But trust that the practice shining a light on this will change that. Just continue with the phrases over and over. The Buddha said you can search the whole world for someone more deserving of your love for yourself, and you will not find them. And it's worth reflecting that if we heal ourselves, we become a joy to be around. So this is not a selfish thing. We do it for our own happiness and the happiness of all those we interact with each day. May I be happy. May I be well. May I be safe and protected. May I be free. We're going to bring the practice to a close shortly. But before we do, just check into your heart center. Feel the emotional content. How does the heart feel? It could be bursting with joy. It could be filled with judgment for ourselves. Just know that repeating this practice will revolutionize our relationships with ourselves. So when you're ready, move the body, stretch, and in your own time, open your eyes.